Hello there, select few that are still watching this. Welcome back to the program, I guess. Today I want to talk about one of the bigger fails, about one of the bigger things that made me, oh, check this out, I killed it. Today I want to talk about one of the bigger failures that made me very pissed off in the moment when it happened. It was a big rowing boat style cardboard boat. For those of you who have watched, I built another one. Actually, since then, not before that. Before the canoe, I built another one. It was a lot bigger and a lot wider and more of a rowing boat style. So my wish was that it could carry me because of the size. I thought it would have enough buoyancy to carry me. I don't know if that's how it works, but that's how I imagined it to work. I started out very optimistic with these big, I don't know, bike or refrigerator boxes. So very big cardboard boxes, cardboard panels that I found, which always cool to find a refrigerator box or something like that, because you have this very big plain thing that doesn't have any bends or cuts, so you can make big shit from it. That's what I tried to do, and in the beginning, yeah, I was wearing my new pretentious leather jacket and eating a banana and yeah, just cutting these big panels, then putting them together puzzle style to make them even longer. Then cutting these curved pieces to, you know, put them together, stitch and glue style is what it's called, when you have different curves, and by gluing them together you force the typically wood, in this case cardboard, to get this organic concave shape. I made two of these side thingies. I put them together on the tip, in the front, and then I put another panel in the back. So that all worked fine. Then I put some wooden stripes on the floor. Yes, it isn't quite exactly all cardboard, but it's really like 95%. There's just this and hot glue basically, and I think there were 2 pieces of styrofoam later, but like really small pieces. So basically cardboard. So I just put these wooden stripes on the ground, on the floor, to put the floor cardboard on top of it. I wanted to add more later, like maybe stripes of wood or just these box-shaped, elongated, you know, columns of cardboard to the floor, just to make it somehow not break in the middle and collapse through from my fatty person weight. So I did that, I put the floor in. Then I put this middle column thing in. That's actually something that even wooden boats somewhat have, to make it kind of stable in the middle, so that my weight on the water doesn't make the sides kind of fall into the middle from the water pressure. So I made that. Actually, that's also some kind of wood. It's a wood cardboard mix type. I don't know, it's this pressed fibers. I don't know if you want to call it a very strong cardboard or a very weak wood. Yeah, look at this idiot. So happy with himself. So confident. Yes, it's a big boat. It's very big. Then for some reason I decided to put tape all over it, all over the edges. I don't know why. I thought at that moment that was smart. This is actually not my cat. It always comes by just to be entertained by my failures. Then I put not paper mache, but just like wraps of newspaper with glue over the edges everywhere. I think somehow I thought that would make a better surface for some kind of, maybe not epoxy, but some kind of stronger glue, whatever, that would make it waterproof. So yeah, that's the point where I left off. And yeah, what happened then? I was stupid, is what happened then. I left the whole thing out in the rain. And cardboard and rain don't mix well. And paper glue, not non-waterproof paper glue, and rain don't mix well. Yeah, and there was even this roof, and I always left it under this roof. And then one night I just forgot it out on the lawn and it rained. So it was just one big pile of mush, cardboard, paper, pulp with like 20 bucks of hot glue in there. I was really mad for like 2 days, and then I started working on the next one. Or maybe I did some other video first and then I started working on the next one. Anyways, is there something to learn from this? I don't think so. Maybe if I was there again today, at least I would film the disgusting mush, the pile of mush that came from it, just to be able to show it to you. Yeah, very disappointing. I don't know if I can recommend something to you. Don't leave cardboard stuff out in the rain. Don't forget to think, especially towards the end of a project, when you feel safe and fine and confident. Don't be confident. Don't ever be confident. Hate yourself. Expect things to fail. Greetings from Germany.